I'm on my way to pick up a very exciting instrument that's slightly huge. Lauren from Teufel contacted me that they were about to throw this away because it's too huge and not necessary anymore. But I think it's perfect, especially for what I plan to do with my friend Sam.
Holy moly!
It's supposed to be around here.
It should be.
Ah, we have it.
Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's pretty.
Yeah.
All of these are capacitors, and these are resistors. I hope I'm putting the right ones. And then down here we have coil packs, which are all high power, high current inductors designed to go inside speakers. All of this is high voltage, all of this is high power handling capabilities.
Yeah.
And then there's on the front all of these banana jacks give access to every individual component so that you can combine them in infinite combinations. We use this to build crossovers for speakers. In the past, when making passive speakers, we could use this to rapidly prototype the capacitors and inductors used to select the filter frequency for the bass and high frequency drivers. This had its limitations and we don't use it anymore. Modern speakers primarily use digital processing techniques to much more cleanly split up these frequencies.
We started off like this, and now we have like 300 people. We were founded in 1979 as a company for loudspeaker kits. Now we're selling ready-made loudspeakers, headphones. We have a really wide range of products now.
Holy moly! Oh my giddy aunts, yeah.
Yeah, this is
That's a heavy boy.
super heavy.
Yeah, okay, well.
Yeah, getting this down here was hard.
Well, yeah.
I've got no idea how it works.
If you want a low pass, for instance, the signal goes into a resistor, then after the resistor, a capacitor connects to ground, and then the output is the other side of the resistor. Right, so we get the square wave, send it through a resistor. It's all about experimentation, and then this wire to... Where's the output of that? Oh yeah, there's the output of that, so that's all 15. We'll plug that into the output. So ground, going to ground, we'll try 220 UF and see what happens. So if I plug this in here, too much, we'll start with 15. Ooh! So it's, I mean, that's a low pass filter.
That's a low pass filter.
Oh, let's see what the coils sound like. Ah! Now we're starting to get a bit more high pass in. Ooh! This is basically a massive tone knob on a guitar. So the knob on the guitar, you see if you open it up, there's a capacitor connected to the back of the potentiometer. The potentiometer is acting as the resistor here, but you're adjusting the resistance, and then the capacitor is the filter in this circuit. And I guess this is what they were doing when they were designing crossovers for the speakers, because they're trying to find the right filter for the low speakers, the middle speakers, so it's not,
Exactly, and they told me that now they do all of this in digital.
Yeah, that makes sense. So yeah, there we go. Have a fiddle.
Oh, it's a nice one.
Let's just throw some amber in there for everyone. Oh, that's really high. I wonder if... Oh no, they're not all wired in. Unfortunately, you've got to unplug the ground as well.
Could we make a bypass filter?
One sec. I've just got to remember how to do it. Okay.
Word generator. Oh,
So that's 56. Maybe we change that. Maybe go down in resistance. Maybe. It's about the same.
oh,
Oh,
there's
that's
a nice sound. There's a nice sound.
I guess you can have loads of them.
So what if you then do this to make it more resonant? Can you feedback it? I can run an aux from here to there, so we can do the thing with feedback. We can make it resonant.
yeah.
So let's do that.
And whilst you're going to do that, I am going to try a bandpass filter. Right now it's in bandpass mode actually. Well, it's a bandpass by input through a resistor, but then after the input there's a capacitor that goes to ground. But then out of that resistor goes into a capacitor, out of the capacitor into the output, and then a output into a resistor. And the resistor's ground. That should be inferior bandpass.
Okay, now it's feeding back into itself.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, that's
there we go.
that's feedback. So now.
Oh, well, there we go. Oh, yeah. Oh. There we go. It's fiddly. I mean,
we can just sing like feedback stuff.
yeah. And you could probably get it more on set. So there we go. Now just don't unwire this.
Oh, that's cool. That's already a thing. Cool.
Well,
that sounds good.
That's cool. Yeah. Well, you could just get loads more of them in there. It's an analog drum designer.
Analog drum design.
Because you're designing the resonant path of the
Absolutely.
the resonant ping, which is all that drum machine is. How to make a drummer one.
Exactly. Oh. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun. Ooh.
Just keep on going.
Oh, that's 2 notes already.
Yeah.
Shall we record the 2 notes? Yeah, come on.
Got 3 notes, actually, technically 4. And when the drums cut out, start the song.
Okay.
Ist kein Anfang ohne Ende, unendlich. Ohne Ende ist kein Anfang ohne Ende, unendlich.
No star, no star. No star, no stars. No star, no stars. No star, no stars.
Ohne Ende ist kein Anfang. Ohne Ende, unendlich. Ohne Ende ist kein Anfang. Ohne Ende, unendlich.
No star, no star. No star, no stars. No star, no stars. No star, no stars.
Right. The song just before sound check, using the crossover thing.
Sam and Johnny had to leave for sound check, but in the 1.5 hours we had here, we managed to record a track. And that is now a bonus on the vinyl edition of our Rotopops Pipe Dreams vinyl that we are crowdfunding via Bandcamp now. Sam sadly did not have any space in his van to take this monster with him. So I got to play with it a bit more, and I could do some very beautiful rhythms with it. It is one of the most complicated ways to get simple pink drum sounds, but they do sound lovely. To get the most out of it though, I think I would need a panel with dedicated feedback for many channels, because the little mixer that I'm using down here only has 2 orgs, or if you finagle it, maybe 4, but it's hard to get it running with this. So dedicated circuitry would make this come alive, and that is why at some point this needs to go into This Museum Is Not Obsolete in Ramsgate, where Sam can exhibit it and you can play it. For now I made a little Soundpack of single pings and rhythms from this machine, clocked by the word generators up top. You can find that on my Patreon. Thanks to Teufel for gifting me this piece of history, and a special thanks to Lauren for making the contact and making this all happen. That's it for this video. If you have any more questions, do put them in the comments below or visit the subreddit. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye.